So the Realme 6 series is going to launch on March 5th in India, which means just a week is now left for the official launch. This series includes the Realme 6 and Realme 6 Pro, the successors to the Realme 5 and Realme 5 Pro that launched last year. Realme has revealed a lot of details related to both these phones, but in this video I will be talking about the Realme 6 Pro because it is going to be a great value for money phone due to all the features that it offers. Similar to the Realme X50 Pro that launched recently, the Realme 6 Pro has a dual punch hole camera, which means there is a pill-shaped cutout in the display for dual selfie cameras. But unlike the Realme X50 Pro, which is a flagship, the Realme 6 Pro has an LCD display because it is a budget phone. Still, there is a 90Hz refresh rate display, which is impressive because the phone is going to be priced under Rs 15,000 in India. Since there is an LCD display, the phone has a physical fingerprint scanner, and instead of placing it on the rear, Realme went for the side-facing fingerprint scanner. A few press renders of the Realme 6 Pro have also leaked, revealing the 3 color options. These press renders show that the quad camera setup has the same design as a lot of previous Realme phones, but like always, the difference is in the pattern on the rear panel. While it is not yet confirmed, there are chances that Realme will finally go for a glass back on the Realme 6 Pro. Overall, it won't be wrong to say that Realme 6 Pro is exactly the same in terms of the design as the Realme X50 that launched in China this year. The only difference in the design is in the pattern on the rear panel. Now talking about specifications that we already know, the Realme 6 Pro has Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G SoC, which is the latest Snapdragon 7 series SoC, and its performance is similar to that of Snapdragon 730G. The phone has a 90Hz LCD Full HD Plus display, and there is a quad camera setup on the back that includes a primary 64MP Samsung GW1 sensor. There is a dual camera setup on the front, and while the specs are not known, Realme has revealed that the second camera is not a depth sensor and instead it is an ultra wide angle camera, so that is nice. Finally, there is 30W VOOC flash charging, which is an upgrade over the 20W charging of Realme 5 Pro. Overall, the Realme 6 Pro seems like a great value for money phone under Rs 15,000, and as always, Realme is expected to launch it with a very aggressive price tag. What do you think of the Realme 6 Pro? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.